Hi guys, how you doing? This is like the LG CX OLED versus the Philips OLED 856. I've never liked this LG remote control. I've had this TV for about a year now. I've never liked this remote. It just looks cheap, ugly and plastic. It's awful, man. It really does let the TV down. I'm so bored of like the magic remote and all that. I don't even use it now. I just think it's crap. The Philips remote's so much better. It's backlit. It's got like leather on the sides and the back. That really does work with like the silver and backlit. This feels like premium. You're holding something premium in your hand. This remote wins hands down. The Philips remote wins hands down. It just gives like the LG licks. Look, like moves about everywhere when it's on the settee. It really does let the TV down. Never liked it. Because like the TV's good, but like the remote just lets it down. And this is my favourite TV, the Philips OLED 856. Kick-ass stand, T-bone stand. This has got so much better colour than the LG, and it's brighter. The LG colours look washed out to this TV. This TV is awesome.